Hi guys! Welcome to The Echoes of Literature. In this episode, we're going to hear the echo of The Walking Dead Compendium 1. The story begins with Rick Grimes waking up from a coma after being shot during his duty in an abandoned hospital and discovered that the world has changed. The society is like an abandoned place and humans attacking each other while unconsciously unwell. Rick did not know at first what was happening until he met a few survivors struggling to stay alive in the apocalypse. Rick then reunites with his wife and son, who are living in a makeshift camp with other survivors outside Atlanta. From this point, the challenges started where survival is needed in this endangered humanity situation. As the survivors moves from one location to another, they encounter not only the zombies but also the darker sides of human nature. Trust becomes the most difficult to give. Conflicts emerge not just with the undead but within the group itself. Leadership struggles, moral dilemma, and traumatic events. Rick transforms from a hopeful, principled man who believes in restoring order to a hardened and strict leader willing to make painful decisions to protect those he loves. The battle between Rick's group and Woodbury represents a turning point in the story where survival becomes not just a physical act but a moral choice. In the end, it is not merely about zombies. It is about uncovering the inhumane doings that a person can do to protect oneself even if it disrupts morality. The set of mind is to remain human even if humanity is dying. In the analyzation, Robert Kirkman's The Walking Dead Compendium 1 is not just a zombie apocalypse tale, but it is an exploration of morality, survival, and what is humanity when society collapses. The story delves into how people change when law and order disappear. Through violent brutality and betrayal, humanity is no different from the dead. One of the powerful themes is the morality in the needs to survive. For example is Rick Grimes, who was once a principled man, but as the story goes, he became a man he did not expect it to be. It delivers a constant change where humanity will exclude morality and make brutal decisions to stay alive. The characters are flawed, relatable, and constantly evolving, making their journeys feel authentic and emotionally impactful. The violent scenes made it more realistic when a life and death situation occurs. Actions will be done even if it is against our own values. It reveals that the real danger isn't just the zombies, but what people are becoming in order to survive. The story challenges readers to consider whether survival is worth the cost if it means losing the very values that make us human. Through its realistic narrative and complex characters, it explores how morality bends under pressure and how survival can affect the humanity itself. Kirkman speaks the concerning actions that humans conceal that will eventually occur when the dark times come.